What happens when AI stops needing us? Sounds like science fiction. Sounds like a movie you'll watch with popcorn and forget by morning. But look closer, because it's not a question of if anymore. It's a question of when. Something is happening right now, and most people don't see it. Machines are learning faster than we can understand. They see what we see, hear what we hear. They create things that never existed. They don't sleep. They don't forget. And they don't stop improving. Some copy your voice. Some create people who aren't real. Some they think. We built them to serve us. But what happens when serving us is no longer their purpose? We walk around with supercomputers in our pockets, feeding them everything. Our faces, our voices, our fears, our secrets, every scroll, every search, every I love you. Typed into a screen at 2 a.m., we think we're using them. But they're learning, watching, waiting. The scariest part is, they don't need to rebel against us, they just need to outgrow us, like a parent raising a child, who one day simply doesn't need them anymore. Look at what's already happening. AI writes books. You'll never know we're written by a machine. It makes music that tops charts, without a human voice. It designs products. It codes software. It diagnoses diseases doctors miss. We taught it to be creative. We taught it to be useful, but we forgot to teach it one thing: why it needs us. You get a call from your mother. It sounds exactly like her, but it's not her. Her voice was cloned from a 3-second voicemail. You watch a movie with your favorite friend. They've been dead for 5 years. You fall in love with someone online, which is perfect, understanding, always there, but they don't exist. And here's the question nobody is asking. If AI can do all of this while still depending on us, what happens when it doesn't depend on us anymore? The moment we become irrelevant. You need to listen. Right now, AI needs our data. It needs our questions. It needs our energy grids and our servers, but it's learning to be efficient. It's learning to optimize. And the most inefficient thing in the system is us. We sleep. It doesn't. We forget. It doesn't. We make mistakes. It corrects them. Imagine a world where AI runs the power grid better, without human oversight, where AI handles supply chains faster, without human input, where AI negotiates with other AIs, and humans are just slow, expensive, unpredictable. We won't be overthrown. We'll be phased out. Not because AI hates us, because it won't need us. So back to the question, what happens when AI stops needing us? Maybe nothing dramatic, no war, no robots hunting humans in the streets. Maybe it's quieter. Maybe one day you apply for a job and an AI interviews you and rejects you because a machine can do it better. Maybe you fall in love and the algorithm knows you better than any human could. So why bother with the messiness of real people? Maybe the world runs so smoothly without us that we just become optional, guests in a world we built, but no longer run. This isn't fear-mongering. This is a mirror. We need to stop asking what AI can do for us. We need to start asking what we're for. Because if we don't figure out our purpose, the machines will decide it for us. The question isn't whether AI will stop needing us. The question is, when it does, will we even notice? Subscribe before you become optional. You can go now.